Samsung Electronics recently unveiled the Samsung Galaxy A52, A52 5G and A72, making powerful innovation accessible to everyone. The latest Samsung Galaxy A series lets you communicate and express yourself with an awesome camera, immerse yourself in a clear viewing experience with a smooth scrolling display, and enjoy greater peace of mind with innovative Galaxy Foundation features including water resistance and a long-lasting battery. The Galaxy A series will also expand your mobile experience by providing access to the wider Galaxy ecosystem of connected devices, such as Galaxy Buds Pro and Galaxy Tab. Samsung has set the bar high for camera quality, and the Galaxy A52, A52 5G, and A72 are no different. By making exciting camera innovations available for the new Galaxy A series, you can enjoy more fun and versatile photos and videos. The new Galaxy A series will be available in Awesome Violet, Awesome Blue, Awesome Black, and Awesome White. The Samsung Galaxy A52 5G and A72 will be available at $23,990, while the Samsung Galaxy A52 will be available at $18,990.